Kill it, kill it.
You can leave that on there. Hey guys, so we are so close. We actually have to add more in here, but hopefully by tomorrow we'll be done. So thank you so much. Happy birthday, Danuta. Let's get to math. Okay, slope-intercept form is what you're learning today. This is pretty important because you're going to use it a lot. And if you can get it down and get your graphs and your lines into slope-intercept form, it's really easy to graph. I'm going to show you how easy it is to graph a line. You need to always get it into this form. Y equals mx plus b. Whatever number is sitting before the x is your slope of the line. Whatever number is after that, the plus b, is going to be your y-intercept, and I'll talk about what that is. So, we know that slope is a slant of a line. What? Slope is a slant of a line. What? I'm a rapper. What? Slope is a slant of a line. Marquise say, what? B is your y-intercept, okay? The B is your y-intercept. That is the point at which this line crosses the y-axis at the y-intercept. So let's say that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up. My B would be positive 6. If it was down here and I had another line going here like this, that's my B. It would be 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 5. Okay, so that's my y-intercept. So the y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis. So here's your thing. Find the slope and the y-intercept to the following lines. Well, you have to make sure it's in y equals mx plus b. Y equals mx plus b. My m is 3. My b is plus 1. So my slope is 3 and my y-intercept is positive 1. Over here, y equals mx plus b. My m is negative 2. Make sure you take the negative with you. My b happens to be 0. There is no number there, so I do have a y-intercept, but it's 0. Okay, so now it says state the slope and the y-intercept of the graph of negative 4x plus y equals 2. We got a problem. Houston, we got a problem. We are not in y equals mx plus b. Okay, so treat this equation just like you normally would. Sorry, with any equation, and get it into y equals. I want to get y alone. What's happening to y? It's being, this negative 4x is being added to it, but I need to get rid of that. How do I get rid of something? I do the opposite. Whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. That cancels, and now I have y equals 4x plus 2. Aha! Y equals mx plus b. M equals 4, b equals 2. Beautiful. Okay, how about this? Okay, I'm going to divide my equation in half. I've got 6x plus y equals negative 3. If I subtract 6x, because around y, 6x shouldn't be there, that cancels out, and I get y equals negative 6x plus minus 3. It's a negative 3. Minus 3. I keep the signs with each number. I'm just going to erase that so you can see it. So I've got y equals negative 6x minus 3. My slope is with the x, y equals mx plus b, negative 6. My y-intercept is negative 3. Bam. Okay. Y minus 5 equals negative x. It's not in y equals mx plus b. This needs to go over here.
Mrs. Osborne, Ms. Gable needs to see you.
Okay, y equals negative x. I need to add 5 to both sides, plus 5. Okay? So y equals mx plus 5. M equals negative 1. B equals positive 5, because there is an understood 1 right there. This is not in y equals mx plus b. I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides to get y alone. And I can also, it doesn't matter if y is on the left or the right. I can put y over here, because y equals x minus 2. It doesn't matter which side you write the y on, so I'm going to put it on the left. What a coefficient is with the x? There's an understood 1 there. M equals 1, b equals negative 2. Okay, this is the best part of y equals mx plus b. Okay, if you know m equals negative 2/3, in this equation, y equals negative 2/3 x plus 3. If you know b equals plus 3, or 3, okay? Here's what you do. Step 1, we want to graph the line. You're going to start with your b. Go to positive 3. You're always going on the y-axis because that's where your y-intercept is. Go on the y-axis, you're going to go to positive 3 and put a big fat dot. Okay, that's where you, now this is negative 2 over 3. Rise over run. We're going to rise down 2, run 3, put a dot, take a ruler, connect the line, and I'm done graphing. I don't have to do that XY table. My very last one. What is M? Negative 1. What is B? Negative 2. Y equals mx plus b. Okay? Start at your negative 2, put a dot. My slope is negative 1, so negative 1, the rise over run is negative 1 over 1. I'm going to down 1 over 1 dot. Down 1 over 1 dot. There's my line. Whoops, it's not very straight. Notice I have a negative slope. I have a down slanting line. We will do this in class tomorrow. Whoops. See you tomorrow. Thank you.